In this lesson, we will learn how we can easily toggle an element on a web page with jQuery. So let's say you want to create a button and want to set the toggle feature on it. That means when you will click on it, another element will hide, but when you will click on it again, it will toggle and the same element will appear again. Let's see how. So to toggle an element, jQuery has provided a built-in method toggle. So in this example, we won't be clicking a button to toggle. We will click let's say a P element, a paragraph element. On clicking that specific paragraph element, another element will hide, then it will show. That means the toggle feature. Let's see the example to understand the concept. Here we have our VS Code. We created the following folder in it for our jQuery tutorial. Okay, so for this, let us add a new HTML file. Right click, new file, index7.html. Okay, now here it is. Let me add a sample code. This was our sample code. Okay, let me remove this, so I'll explain it quickly. This is our jQuery. This is how we added jQuery. This is the jQuery CDN link, and here we will add our jQuery script. Before that, let me add the HTML elements here. We have our H1 heading. Let's say I'll add H2 heading. On clicking this text, we will perform the toggle operation, and the following text will be displayed and hide. Okay, within this we will now add our jQuery script. What we want to click the H2 and perform the toggle. So we will use the click event on H2. For that, simply mention the same syntax, dollar, use the dollar. Within that, which element we want to work on, H2 dot click. So on clicking H2, what will happen? Okay, now dollar $P, because we want to toggle the following text. So $P dot toggle, the predefined function, that's it. Now you can see there are no errors. When I'll click here, the toggle feature will appear and it will perform on the following paragraph. File, save all. Right click, open in default browser. Here it is. Now I'll click on the toggle text. If you remember, on clicking H2 heading, this is the H2, the toggle will perform on the following text. So when I'll click here, the following will hide. Here it is hidden. Now I'll click here again and it will be visible. We'll do it again quickly. Clicked on it, hidden. Clicked on it again, it's visible. So this is how we can perform the toggle feature using the toggle function. So we performed the toggle operation using the toggle method. Thank you for watching the video.